Now, for each of these tasks that you're actually doing, as simple as they may seem, think about the examiner. Now, think about the examiner, what they may want to see as evidence. Please remember that you are submitting all of your work electronically, okay? So, and make sure that what goes in that folder is the work that is to be marked by the examiner. Now, basically, when I marked when I marked your mail merge letters, I couldn't see the merge fields. Now, I don't know how many marks you've lost. I don't know how many marks you could lose in the exam, because remember what I said, we don't know what's going to come up in the exam. We've no idea, okay? But make sure you check the work that you're actually submitting, because you may end up losing quite a lot of marks over something you shouldn't be losing quite a lot of marks for. Now, as you can see, I'm picking up 1808, 1807 and 1809. Okay, details of this task are in the book on page 288. So I'm just going to copy these over, because remember what I said about the database files will give you problems if they're not coming from the correct source. Okay, and please make sure that these database files, if they need to be read, are in the submission folder as well. Okay, so now we're going to, basically, I'm going to show you about setting up merge fields. Okay, so now I am going to get my recipients list. Okay, and I'm going to insert the merge fields. I've not even looked at my database yet, so I don't actually know what I'm importing. Okay, I've no idea. Have I read the letter? No, I haven't. Okay, so it says new class, to parents of forename, surname. So the parents of. So what forename and surname's going in there? Obviously the students. From September, forename, the student's forename will be in class. So we need to get the class. Their teacher will be, and a teacher's name. Okay, so I think we've seen this before, haven't we? But let's open up, let's be sensible now, and let's open up the database and let's take a look. Okay, so I'm going to look at class here. I'm going to look. Right, okay. Right, I think this is what we want. We want a query. And we kind of already knew that before we opened it up anyway, but we should always look all the time. Okay, all the time. So, parents of forename. Let's take a look. So we're going to go to new list. Oops, I'm being silly. Use existing list. I'm going to first of all pick up students 1807. Okay, you will do the next one afterwards yourselves. Okay, because I'm not going to do a video for every single mail merge in this book. Okay, because you've got to do some things yourself. I'm going to pick up the query. Okay, so forename. Surname. Class. Teacher. Right, so make sure you start your mail merge with your letter. Okay, so we can see our fields here. Okay, and we need to highlight merge fields. Okay, so make sure the examiner can see that. Okay, and then we're going to preview. We're going to finish and merge. Okay, so ready to print each document. Let's go all. Let's see what happens. Oops, no, I don't have a printer. I'm just going to preview the results. I've got those. There we go. We can see there's a problem here. Okay, so we need to make sure there's spaces in between. Okay, so I'm going to preview each of the results, and you can see that that has merged. Okay, right, and please make sure, like I said, the examiner can actually see. Okay, basically they can go back and they can actually, see what's going on. Okay, and they can actually see the results. Okay, of your merge fields. Now, what I mean by actually seeing the results of your merge fields, they can actually preview results and do this as well. Look, you can see that I've got a problem here already. I haven't checked this. Could lose a lot of marks there. That would be a shame. Okay. There we go. Okay, all looking good. So, yeah. So make sure that actually does happen. Okay.